Hi, I'm Erin Anderson and I'm demoing my HW2 app. I'll start by building and running with .NET Build, where we can see it successfully build, and .NET Run, where we can see it. Jump over to localhost 5270 and we will just follow that link. There we go. All right. So this brings you up to the home page. I customized it with a clean CSS only gradient hero and bootstrap cards. There's a clear call to action to view our data insights. As you can see, you can also get to that if you're on the home page by the nav bar up top, clicking on info. It brings you to the same page. And this page summarizes the streaming database using link queries, no user interaction required. You can see here where we have the total movies, the total TV shows, the most popular by IMDb, and most IMDb votes. Genres down here at the bottom are listed alphabetically, and for the harder part, the director right here, Joseph Kane, with 41 shows, plus an ordered list of that director's shows release by year. You can see that the cards are clickable, and you can just go back and go back again and see that, and then you can see that it's the full list. These lists are read-only views. All the querying happens in the controller via the repository or DB context, not the Razor views, and views only present the data. You can see also when you go home at the bottom, we have what is this with a little explanation, and you can see our privacy link, which is also up here at the top. We have a little privacy policy updated October. So now we're going to take a look in Home Controller. You can see I used my Home Controller, my iShow repository, a DB context. Let's see, down here under info, you'll see my info view model. We've got db.shows, counts by type. And then, if I can find it, shows, DB roles, DB credits, DB people, and you can see that's where we have the top director. I resolved the director role ID, group credits by person ID right here, and pick the max, then project the director's show titles and years, sorting ascending. And that was the extra credit. Now you can see over here, I have dull with my interfaces, iRepository, and my iShow repository. And then you can see my show repository here. Let's see, I use the repository pattern. Repository T, providing common CRUD and query helpers. The iShow repository and show repository encapsulate how specific data access. Controllers never talk to DB sets directly. They go through the repositories or injected context. Next, we'll look at the view models. Here we have the info view model, which holds everything the info view needs: totals, titles, numbers, plus top director shows, title and years. This keeps the business logic out of the view. And then if we go down here to program.cs, I registered EF core and repositories via DI, dependency injection. You can see all those. And then for styling, very briefly, we'll go to views home index.css, and the home page uses Bootstrap and CSS only. Gradient hero for clean, simple styling, meeting the looks nice with Bootstrap rubric requirement. And then there's also that. You can see some of that Bootstrap and CSS. And then for quick rubric check, models in DB context generated and wired in program.cs. Repository pattern and DI used in controllers. The home page updated the navbar link to info. Info page loads and shows all required data. The bootstrap styling and clean layout. And this video shows build, run, feature demo, and code walkthrough. Thank you so much.